A short presentation to take you through ROI Print Manager. This is not just another output management solution. ROI is a hybrid output management and MPS offering. And the reason we say that is because ROI user-level data connects into FM Audit. The key features of ROI is print assessment, print rules and quotas, authentication at the device, pull print, mobile print, cost recovery, and usage tracking. And as I said, once you have ROI set up at a customer's network, you have the ability to connect it into on-site, which will take that data across into FM Audit. On the authentication side, this is really an app that sits inside the control panel of the device. When users walk up, they'll be presented with a screen where they'll need to authenticate. Authentication can be done with a swipe card. It can be done with a PIN code. It can also be done by scanning that QR code with their mobile device. Once they access the device, you can put print rules in place as well, and also quotas. The rules may be something like you can only print your documents in black and white, or you have access to printing, but you don't have any access to scanning or copying. Our application today is available for Toshiba, Kyocera, Xerox, Sharp, Oki, and Ricoh devices. Pull printing is very similar. Once a user authenticates at the device, they'll be offered a pull print screen. At that pull print screen, it's basically the ability to print to any device on the network. Inside the pull print screen, it will show them their documents that they have in their queue. At this point, they can do some queue management, delete these documents out, or they can print these documents from where they stand. This offers security and confidentiality in printing, and they can print any type of document. It also gives the ability for delegate printing, which is the idea of having someone else print those documents out for you, maybe like an assistant. On the cost recovery, it's the same. Once a user authenticates, you can do cost recovery. This is simply a screen that comes up that shows account codes. Users would select an account code to be able to charge that document to, and they hit continue. That will be kept in a database, that information, and that can be used for project billing, something you typically see in a law firm. With our mobile print product, it's probably one of the strongest products on the market today. This is the ability to print to any printer on the network from your mobile device. It can also put rules in place as well once the user gets to that device, and it obviously tracks all their usage as well. It operates on Android and iOS, and it can be configured in 5 different ways. ROI integrates to Google Cloud Print. We also integrate to AirPrint. There's no change in the workflow for the user. We simply collect their credentials as they gain access to the network. We also have an app that you can download. Once you've downloaded the app, you can basically print your documents from your device. That you'll need a QR code either embedded on the panel or as a sticker on the panel, which is really containing the serial number of that device. As you walk up and you're authenticated on the network, you would scan that QR code, and that will basically give you the pull print screen on your mobile device. Again, at that point, we can do some queue management, change documents from color to black and white, simplex to duplex, but print your documents from where you stand. The other way we can set ROI mobile print up is simply by sending your document to an email. This is the email of the ROI server. We would simply send our documents along. We would get a response back from the server via email. It will tell us our documents are ready to print and offer a PIN code. You would simply go down to that printer, put the PIN code in, and release those documents. The other way we can configure this is through a web browser. So it's simply opening up a browser, being able to go and search for your document, upload it, duplex, number of copies, various things that you can do there to be able to print that document out and print that document through the web browser. We also do usage tracking as well. These are web-based reports. Those reports can be set up and scheduled and will turn up in an email. We also sync with Active Directory, so we can do the group and departmental reporting as well. The nice thing is with that integration with FM Audit, we can also do ROI Analytics, and which is a sales rep account review report. This is the ability to pull that data out of FM Audit, which has the user level data and the device information, and put it into a template that a rep can use to present in their business reviews. Just touching on this integration with FM Audit, this is a patent pending process that we've used to sync the data with meter information and then be able to put the information up into FM Audit. But it's really combining your device, your service alerts, your supplies, and the who prints what to where. With Doc Assess, we have the ability to also import a floor plan and plot the users as well as the device on the floor plan. The advantage of that is now we can see users' workflow and again who prints what to where. For more information on ROI Print Manager, contact us today at 602-788-1313 or sales@roiprintmanager.com. Again, not just another output management solution. ROI is a hybrid output management and MPS offering to take your dealer's software program to the next level.